hope you all doing well. In this video I'm going to explain and show you guys how to put ad breaks in videos. Ad breaks is basically telling YouTube and giving YouTube a certain time in a certain place in a video and allowing them to put ads in only that place. So before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button, and if you like the video also click the like button. So let's start. So firstly, go to YouTube, and from YouTube take YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, go to content, and in content, before that you can only put ad breaks on videos that are above 8 minutes. Now on this video, which is 5 minutes and 28 seconds, we cannot put ad breaks, but that does not mean that your video will not have ads. It just means you cannot control or decide the areas where ads will play. Just to make it clear, on this video it's 7 minutes and 8 seconds. I still cannot put ad breaks, but ads will come. It's just that I cannot decide where they come. But also on this graphic tablet video, which is around 8 minutes, I can only put 3 ad breaks, the start, middle and end. I can control where the 3 ad breaks are. But from 8 minutes to 9 minutes, I can only put 3 ad breaks. But from 9 minutes above, you can put more than 3 ad breaks. For videos that are above 10 minutes, you can put as many ad breaks as you want. Yeah, you can. There are also things in which you can place the ad breaks automatically for videos that are above 8 minutes. But most of the videos that can put ad breaks will come with 3 ad breaks automatically placed in them when you have allowed them for monetization. Okay, so on this 11-minute video, I have removed all the ad breaks from it. So you can see there's an ad break button down there. When you click on it, you can add as many ad breaks as you want. And you can see at the start of near the dollar sign, there was a blue block which signifies that is where the ad break will be. You can move it wherever you want and decide where you want the ad break to be. There may be some viewers that are picky about where the ads are. You should make sure you keep them in mind, because you may lose viewers or you may lose your audience due to where you put the ad breaks. Maybe you're saying something important and you put the ad break over there. The person who's watching may lose interest in watching your video. So make sure you're careful about that. Once you're done with that, you can just click on the save button, or if you don't want, you can discard the changes. So I'm going to my YouTube channel. This is to show you that ad breaks come also for videos that are below 8 minutes. I'm going to choose how to make a mini motor submersible water pump. So this is 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Over here you can see the first thing that the viewer sees is an ad. So don't worry about not having ads. You can have ads, and these ads will be placed randomly. So the only problem with not being able to put ad breaks is that you cannot control where the ads will come. So that was it for the video. I hope it was useful. If you're new to monetization and you are going to apply, I have a video on how to apply for monetization. The link will be in the description. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comment box. Thank you and stay safe.